Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial, and today's tutorial is again about Christmas decoration. We are in holiday seasons right now, and yeah, everybody is preparing for Christmas. So I thought I have one more Christmas tutorial for you, and this small mini wreath, which I like it. You can do that with some t-shirt yarn, as you can see, and then I used a 4mm hook. And I saw this in many places, but they use like a wooden circle. And I didn't have that, so I thought I could find an alternative with just using the t-shirt yarn. So if you are interested on knowing how to do this ornament, this Christmas ornament, just keep watching. But first I want to remind you, a quick reminder: follow me on Instagram and Facebook if you haven't yet. There is a lot of updates that I do there because it's faster, that maybe I don't do here on YouTube. And also check my Etsy shop if you are looking for tapestry crochet patterns or mochila patterns. And if you are new, I hope you are considering to subscribe. And of course, everybody, subscribers or not subscribers, give this video a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's just get into this tutorial. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first in here, as you can see, all around, I crochet just with simple single crochet, and I have all around, I have 18 single crochet stitches. Okay, I just wanted to tell you that. So what I did, if you want to go bigger, maybe you have to do more stitches. Okay, that's my point. Okay, this wreath is very simple and is beginner friendly, I think, and also it requires very little yarn. So yeah, you have whatever leftover yarn that you have in Christmas colors or other colors that you want to do it. Okay, so first of all, I will do like a magic circle, but with my 4 fingers, and I will do a big magic circle, and I will roll 2 times, okay, because I need the strength here. And then I'm gonna, there is no size for that because once I start working, I will keep pulling. Okay, so I will just make a loop like this. Then I will leave and then pick the yarn. And then I will do like a chain stitch. Okay, a chain stitch. Here I have this yarn, don't forget this you will need. Okay, so next what I'm gonna do is just do a single crochet. So one single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet. Don't make them too loose. Okay, and I will start to keep pulling a little bit the yarn here. And once you pull this one, this will get smaller and this is bigger. So you have to find the side that if you pull, will pull the down part. Okay, so now I have them equally. They are equal. Okay, so I will keep working like that. So 1, 2, 3. Keep working. 4. And 5. And 6. I will pull again a little bit, and then I will pull the small one. Okay, they are equal again. I will keep working. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. pull it to the back. Okay, so pull a little bit of yarn at the loop and then insert, because we need the other side, so insert from the front now to the back at the last stitch that we did, and then take the loop and pull it in the front. Okay, so if you see here, I did the connection and I have one more stitch here. Okay, and then once I have this, just pull a little bit of more yarn. Okay, so I pulled it in the front and then I just cut this one, and this one I will hide it. So I can just use the hook, and of course I don't need this in the front, so I will t-shirt yarn, but in my case I just took some small thread. Actually I took some thread, red thread. Okay, I made it by 2, and then right on top here